If you've ever wondered if breaking into tech sales is even possible without experience, keep watching this video. If you're working in tech sales as a BDR or SDR, would you like to finally step into a full account executive role and take control of your earning power and potential? Keep watching this video. And if you're working as an AE in tech sales, have you ever wanted to learn the skills of top account executives use to close bigger deals and earn big commissions? Then this video is for you. In this video, my name is Ian Agard, and I want to walk you through what is called the Tech Sales Career Accelerator. This program is designed to help you land an account executive role in SaaS sales, earning at least $150,000 per year within 12 months or less, even if you've never sold before. Now, how it works is this, that after taking this program, within 12 months or less, depends on where you are, of completing the program, you'll secure an account executive role in SaaS sales, earning at least $150,000 per year. Why am I confident saying that? Because I've done that. I worked in SaaS sales for over 7 years, and I went from a struggling BDR to an account executive, earning at least over $150,000 a year within 12 months. And I've also helped other people do that too. And with this program, it's very simple. It's a 4-step program. And basically, it's called my mindset first selling framework. So in this framework, basically, it all starts with the foundation, which is your mindset. Helps you build the confidence, the clarity, and the mindset to step into a high income career. Second part of the program is that it's about building successful habits. It's about daily routines and performance systems used by top SaaS sales reps that I've worked with, I've used myself to succeed at the highest level. The third, we're going to help you to develop sales skills, prospecting, discovery, sales objection handling, and closing, which are essential skills to have throughout your journey in tech sales, wherever you are. And lastly, it's for those ones who really want to be rock stars. The last component is about how to win the job interview, to become an AE, to crush your quota, and to accelerate your path to six figures and beyond. See, each step is broken out into modules, templates, and practical exercises so even beginners, if you're a beginner, can follow and succeed. So how does this program work? It's basically delivered in a 4-week training modules that allows you to, on-demand videos that every week a video comes out, you watch the video, take learnings, you apply it, you strategize it, and afterwards the next week comes out. Also with templates that I've used, is interview prepping resources and assignments throughout the week to make sure that you're always honing up each week. And also the benefit is there's also a 1-year mentorship program with me. So throughout the year, you get 12 monthly live coaching calls once a month. We can come on the call after doing the training and then get some coaching, some mentoring, ask questions you have. Even if you're working as a BDR, SDR now, or even an AE, you can come to these calls once a month and workshop and strategize. If you have a job interview coming up, all these things will happen in the training there. And last is also the community. The community allows you to have a private chat where you can chat with other sales reps, share wins, share learnings, job opportunities, and stay accountable. So this program is only $5,000 US for a full commitment, or you can make 2 payments of $2,988, 2 monthly payments. The key thing is this. The Tech Sales Career Accelerator is a proven 4-step system that I've used to excel my career and encourage others, take you from wherever you are, no experience, BDR, SDR, maybe you're an AE, to 7 figures in SaaS sales, working as an account executive, earning at least $150,000 within 12 months or less. That's the end result. That's what you'll get from this program. And from that all, you're going to learn the mindset, the habits, the skills to stand out, to land the job interviews, and to thrive once you get there. Now, remember, this program is built on on-demand training with monthly live Q&A calls and a supportive peer community. Now, if this interests you, you want to learn more about it, to apply, below this video, click on the link, fill out the application, and if I feel for a good fit, we'll get you into the program and get you on the road to earning $150,000 a year or more in tech sales.